Okay, it's heating now. Just turned it on. Loaded a little bit of water into the unit and then also some beans into the upper hopper. Okay, so it says press rinse. Hope there's enough water here to do that. And I got a little bit of gunk out of it. That's after cleaning the tubes, so that may have been what the issue was. Okay, we'll try the coffee button, or espresso button. Set the strong. Okay, that's the espresso function. I thought that was the coffee button. Seems to have done alright there. I want to empty that and then try the... okay, just emptied that. I'll try the coffee button here. Set the strong. And then we get a little bit of leak in the coffee function. You can see around the okay, coffee's done. I'll try the cappuccino button. Fill water tank. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to fill the water tank. This is ready. And we'll try the, I guess that's the steamed, oh, that's the steamed milk button. I'd have to hook the canister up to that, but that does seem to work fine. Okay, now I added water, enough to steam with this, and I'll try the steamer here. I think that's steamed milk. That's hot water, I guess. And then this is froth. I don't have any milk, but I have added some cream diluted with a little bit of water, so shake that a little bit, mix it up. Hopefully that'll do it without making a mess. The cup's a little bit full there. Okay, this is ready. I'm going to shut that off because the cup is pretty full, but it's got some foam, and that's just a little bit of cream, pretty diluted with some water. So, and it tastes fine. It actually tastes very nice. I'm not a coffee drinker, but it tastes very good. Anyway, that's the demo. I'll shut him off, and that's just too hot, so it'll have to cool down, and it'll probably do its cleaning cycle there as well. Cappuccino clean. I think that's going to come out of there. So we'll put him in there, and I'll leave that one there. Okay, it says rinse. There you go. And it's cleaning itself before it shuts down. And then it's off.